Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm happy to share the latest and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bag collection for today's episode. And then of course, for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, what are you waiting for? I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us discuss the latest collection of LV from Paris Fashion Week. First, let us discuss this very beautiful Speedy 20. So the material is calfskin leather. It is a limited edition beaded Speedy in flower design. A colorway of this one is in pink, and it would come with detachable leather tag as we could see here. It would also come in silver hardware, a key clochette lock-in piece. I really do love this Speedy 20 guys. So beautiful. If you're going to collect a rare Speedy, then this would be it. Another very beautiful and limited edition Speedy 20 from the men's spring summer 2027 collection guys. Just look at the art or the craftsmanship, the artwork on the Speedy 20. So everything is beaded. So again, the main material is calfskin leather, and the beads are, form the Louis Vuitton monogram, and of course the flowers, which is so chic and so beautiful. Truly a work of art. Another Speedy, so this one maybe would be the size 25. So this one is in the blue colorway. So this is the close-up view. So as you can see, so it would still be the beaded Speedy, which is so gorgeous and so unique. So this is the close-up view. So we're going to see it comes in different colors, like in blues, it comes in yellow. So everything is beaded from the Louis Vuitton monogram to the Louis Vuitton flowers. Super chic and super one of a kind. So next guys, so we have the classic Speedy P9. So I have seen this one a video. So the Speedy P9 may look like, just the regular Speedy, but actually this is a reversible Speedy P9. So the material is calfskin leather. So this is the calfskin leather with lambskin lining. It would come of course with the detachable leather pochette. So just like all Speedy P9s, it would come with leather tag, detachable strap, key clochette lock-in key set as well. So this one guys, a very beautiful and unique Speedy P9 because of course the outer part is in the color pink calfskin leather with the monogram. But just look at the interior, and I am guessing, if I'm not mistaken guys, that this Speedy could also be reversed because I'm looking at the handle. It certainly it looks like it can actually be reversed. So how gorgeous bag it would be if that would be the case, because of course who would not want a 2-in-1 Speedy, right? So going back to the beaded Speedy, so I feel like a little bit more subtle in the colorway, a little bit more neutral. Then we have the Speedy 20s. As you can see, it's more of the grayish blue colorway, and of course the beads are a little bit more subtle compared to the other ones. We have the Louis Vuitton monogram in beads, of course. Then of course there's a little bit degradé effect of the colorway of the beads. Then guys, let us discuss this very beautiful Speedy Soft. So this one, the material is calfskin leather in the checkered pattern. So it comes in two sizes. The one earlier, I'm guessing either the Speedy 18 or 20, and of course this one would be the Speedy 25. So this is how it looks like, as you could see. So hopefully this would be the outer part of the earlier Speedy P9 that I have shown you. What do you think? Comment down below. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the runway collection, still with the checkered pattern, we have the shopper tote. So it would come in two sizes, the smaller one. So as you can see, this is the smaller one, and then of course we have the regular size. So the main material is calfskin leather with checkered pattern, as you can see. So who is actually interested in this kind of design, guys, please do comment down below. I would say, yeah, it's very unique, very fun. I love, of course, the details of the checkered pattern. Then of course it's like there are chest pieces on either sides of this bag. Then of course another piece would be the Keepall. So for the price, it could either be the 45. So the material is calfskin leather in the checkered pattern. As you can see, guys, are you seeing like the chest pieces at the edges or on the bottom part of the bag, and then of course the top part, they're like the color reds and greens. So this is the classic Keepall design with detachable leather strap. It would come with leather bag tag, key clochette, and lock-in keys as well. Then guys, they also would be releasing a couple of exotic pieces. So first we have the Christopher backpack. So this one, I'm a little bit puzzled with the python skin, if I'm not mistaken, because the print on the snake skin is a little bit large. So it could either be, you know, a real python, or it could just be set. Again guys, I could be wrong on that one, but since they are displaying this one together with the other exotic pieces, so I'm guessing this is the real python leather, just like with this beautiful Speedy, as you can see. So as we know, we are looking at the prints of the python. The prints are a little bit bigger. So this one, the colorway is like in the gray, and then of course there are golden colors as well. So classic Speedy design comes of course with the top handle, leather bag tag, key clochette, lock-in key set as well. And if I'm not mistaken, definitely this would come with a detachable leather strap for easy carry. Then guys, just look at this very beautiful Alma soft. So this is the one that I was discussing earlier, because the Speedies earlier was displayed together with this Alma soft. And as you can see, this one is definitely made of snakeskin leather in like the sky blue, bluish colorway with a degradé effect. It would also come with the cowhide leather trims. Of course guys, as you can see, if it's a men's version of the Alma, the top handle is a little bit elongated, so you can carry this one as a shoulder bag. So this is the same material. We have the Keepall, so it's a softer version. Material would be the snake skin in like the grayish bluish colorway. So this one is a little bit on the shiny material. As you can see, the light reflects on the snake skin. It would come of course with the snake skin bag tag, snake skin key clochette, and of course it would come with a lock-in key set as well. So next on the runway collection, so we have the very beautiful Alma soft. So guys, when I have zoomed in on the material of this Alma soft, maybe this is a size PM or GM, the material is the classic LV epi leather in the colorway beige. Of course, this is what I was referring to earlier. Then of course it would come with the cowhide leather trim in the colorway peach. The strap, as mentioned earlier, so it is a little bit elongated, so you could carry this one as a shoulder bag. So next on the collection, guys, let us discuss the monogram pieces that walk the runway for the men's spring summer 2027. First, we had the Keepall 25, so the materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and as you can see on the entirety of the monogram, there are the different color, like a cartoonish version of the Louis Vuitton monogram, which I find really chic, and at the same time, to be honest, it kind of reminds me of a Murakami art piece, don't you think? Kindly comment down below. That one is actually really gorgeous and one of my wishlist bag. Then guys, we have the return of the Papillon XL, not the official name, just look at the size of this bag. So it could either be the same size as Keepall 45 or 50. So it would come of course in the same material in the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and there would be like the monogram design in the different colorway So then of course the strap is elongated as well, so you can carry this one as a shoulder bag. Then it would come in the classic Keepall design, guys. Actually, just look at what the model is wearing. So it's also wearing the same material, like colorway. Then of course on his shirt there are like the different colored monograms, just like with this one. So this is what I'm referring to when it kind of reminds me of, you know, a Murakami design. Of course, it would come with vachetta leather trims. It would come, of course, with detachable strap, bag tag, lock, and key set as well. Then guys, another colorway of this one would be like the noir colorway. So first we have the Speedy. So the Speedy, it would come in different sizes. So maybe the size 25, and this is like the Speedy 18 or 20. So I love this one, to be honest. I think I'm loving this more compared to the classic monogram because it's in the black monogram canvas. And of course, as you can see, the different colorway of the monogram really stands out. Love that colorway. So going back to the classic monogram pieces, so we have more. So we have the Speedy. So this one could be, you know, a very soft material, like a Speedy soft. Of course, classic monogram canvas. Then it would come with the colored design. It would come with a charm like this as well, super cute. So it would come with vachetta leather trims. It would come with leather bag tag, key clochette, and of course detachable and adjustable leather strap. Then last but not the least, so we have the Papillon XL. So this one would be the same as the Alma that we have discussed earlier, because zooming in on the material of this Papillon XL, not the official name, is in the ballerine pink colorway. So this is the epi leather. So I'm actually a little bit puzzled how they were able to do an epi leather in a softer design. As you can see, slouchy leather, but really gorgeous. What do you think? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the bags that I've presented for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at PremierFi2 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A billion thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!